Hello friends, myself Dr. Pooja Jain, fertility and IVF consultant at Medicover Fertility, Preetviha. Today we'll discuss about blastocyst. What is a blastocyst and what is the significance of blastocyst in IVF transfer cycles. Blastocyst is also called as day 5 embryo. So if we talk about natural conception, egg and sperm, they meet in the fallopian tube, get fertilized there, then it cleaves into different stages over a period of 3 to 4 days in the tube itself, and then it migrates into the uterine cavity when it is ready to implant. This stage, which is ready to implant, is called as the blastocyst stage, which takes usually 5 to 6 days after fertilization. Blastocyst has 100 to 200 cells. It has two parts. First is trophoectoderm, which is the outer one, which is responsible for implantation to the uterine cavity, while an inner cell mass, which forms the embryo. In an IVF lab, for a blastocyst development, we need a spatial media which provides nutrition to the embryo and an incubator which provides it a good environment for its development. That's why always keep in mind the lab conditions of an IVF center before choosing that particular center for your treatment. So what is the significance of day 5 embryo or the blastocyst? The formation of day 5 embryo, that is blastocyst formation from a day 3 embryo, it's a process of natural selection. So it is very important to understand that all of the day 3 embryos cannot develop into day 5 embryos. Only 30 to 40% will develop into the day 5 embryo. That is how the process of natural selection works. Now we discuss how day 5 transfer or blastocyst transfer impacts our transfer results. So when we go for the blastocyst transfer, first of all, since it is the embryo which has the maximum potential to implant, the transfer rates in any particular IVF cycle increases, and even a single blastocyst transfer is good enough for the implantation. So if even like in spite of 2 to 3 embryos which we used to transfer in earlier days, a single blastocyst transfer is good enough. That's why it minimizes the miscarriage rate, the multiple pregnancy rates, and increasing the success rates. What are the other benefits of blastocyst? Blastocyst embryo is also used for carrying out pre-genetic testing of embryos to see whether there is any genetic issues with the embryo, aneuploidies are not there, so that we can choose a euploid embryo for the transfer, again maximizing the chances of the transfer and increasing the success rates. So to summarize, the benefits of day 5 embryo, that is blastocyst, is first, it increases the success rates in any transfer cycle, it decreases the miscarriage rates, it decreases multiple pregnancy rates, and it is the embryo which is also used for PGT testing, again improving our success result and decreasing the chances of any congenitally malformed baby. So if you have any query about the blastocyst, please feel free to contact us at Medicover Fertility. Thank you.